The way I was born in Nigeria, grew up in Nigeria, born and brought up. All the days of my life, I spent it in Nigeria.
You come to Nigeria and let us
fight.
Because of let's fight the cause together. Not you being in America, fighting the cause of Benin. How would that happen? My brother there, ọtẹbẹ ìmàye náà yín pẹ ìpẹ wọn mẹ nọmà fò èké ànírírí láìrí àgbà orí mi èrìrì mi yàn èrìbèrì ẹ̀rí tálí èrìbèrì ẹ̀mí yíyà níjó ọtẹmú ẹzọ rẹ sábà mẹ 2 hours mẹ má gbé 2 hours sí police station. You know what, like in life, medieval, why when you medieval, no? I don't want to go on life for where, we kabaka, we yamu, or coffee. I will know where woman allowed fuck up in no shema. I couldn't give my way. Even a person, I never love you. A guy in Undano, a quack on Sabo. Maybe I'm not telling you, them on is giving wrong impression to the Benin in diaspora, giving wrong impression to all the Nigerians in diaspora. When you are taking government name, you are not on ground, you are not a Benin. You don't even know the road Obaseki have walked now. You don't even know what Obaseki have even done now. You are not on ground. I don't know if you understand.
Okay, sorted. But okay, sorted.
Oh, yeah, I didn't know to Arabia Basket. I'm a very commissioner police here. What we want with base here. So a guy, the last bus stop here, you know. The last bus stop here, wow, now. Me have said do, it will be a dog going. No, no. My wife party. Now, why I be now? It was a city night park. The radio Emila. You know, we don't know, me go river that of a meeting of Bani and do. You know, a meeting. Yeah, well, if you're trying to do a meeting, we do Yahweh River. And now I said, I know, me go river, I met Arabuna. And now what I'm on my way, Baron and Lawu. A guy now, who done on Cabby, I've brought to them FBI of America. Emma, a train, I tell you, allowed in a way, I'm not going my wife drive, my uncle drive. 5 hours to Torino. A Torino. 5 o'clock the next morning. Me Areba, me meeting in Ado. Near Mekina Areba. Me here, a meeting in Ado. Here on Omigo, what the police will be at the meeting. If you're Nigerian, not a fee. Not a fee go, the meeting in, not a the Bayan or Nibu Hamangi Figo, Bame Police River. You might not understand. And now we got now to Betty, that if you do so, now we are ready the meeting. In a move by the meeting. Babe, we know we know you can be what. Merele and Gume, maybe I will be at 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock, Bayari. Maybe he was that hotel. Or may say 30 minutes. The police do have so good. Make careful, you know me, buy a good police. About Calabi, Mary, Magic Calabi. Yeah, they need the passport. Yeah, we passport in here. A phone well in Avionia. Yeah, we did Lilian and Maria station. He killed a lower, I take call out him here. Come up, Barry Hotel. You drop him, you're not you what. Me ugie mayari, my light only be 5 o'clock. I need to sleep. Hey, me worry, monkey, back up on me work here, you'll be a yard. Anyone do we have to go? I say, why where I want to complain where terrorism. They want to go into my phone, near the terrorism. And now we're anything or when you worry. And now well, I don't want back, no, what tell it, Tata to live or wherever now. One guy near here and Omigo, Mega Combre Clement. You know, because that guy contested the election in my place and lost that. So since he lost acts, he has been insulting all the dignitaries in Benin, including me, calling me all sorts of names. Telling you people I'm a bad person. I don't know where he's getting it from. And I'm okay. I said, do no cool, me mega away, or that from Vietnam. On my word, on our lawyer, the one, you're not really. May lad, you're not a good story, man. If I need Uncle do it, that the meeting, even a no job of Urumi was there. One boy, no man, a man here, you have a boy Italy, here I am here. A boy, any, or Mulele on Amigo, Aria, police station. You have to with Obi terrorists. The man don't understand. Where they make money? He went too far. Avec Beku, avec Beku, Abaya. I had no one your own brother, we had do. Who are police who are when a case terrorist is he a billable case in the world? A brava declarant as a terrorist now. A case in Ayakuni here. And I have Bomawari. I don't know Migo Matere case he made. He ain't telling me a women or better Salobama. The Italian government evade new body here because they tried.
We are very fast.
They don't tell me since my lawyer is here, they will release me to my lawyer. Then my phone, they cannot give me back to me. No problem. I mean, I will 3 days. They me wrong. Me am a proof. Me am proof. I make it back. I be again. Me I travel with back. Obviously, I make back. And I'm lawyer. And I'm lawyer. Okay, I need to go back because my ticket now to leave here back to Greece back to Nigeria. So I don't know if I will have the opportunity to travel. I will need Sunday Bobani and I Sunday Bobani. So when you say you can, you away a phone, man, yeah, investigation for them. Yeah, be on a Otamenoku, no really. Then he only be a good in Nigeria. He didn't even phone. The case in our colony. And I know Migo went too far. If you do agree, if you do the man, if they quarrel, once they see each other for abroad, my brother, I meant it, right? Once they see each other for abroad, they go forget what he play. They go embrace each other. We are here. I cook with the understand. I don't know, me go to went and start to this leg with me. This guy, a freedom fighter, a personal issue where you take a personal. I will put the bottles on the Marina on me. Me again, me boy, me, Adamio, Urovie governor, Urovie ex-governor, Urovie commissioner of police, Urovie all the dignities in Benin. Who are you men with Tony Kabaka? You have called Tony Kabaka to rise against this political embezzlement, political terrorism. So, Mary video ni. And there are no amigo no Guana here, America. Emani Rovia Meguia River. Any mamma near Ume, a doma, a video boy. Where Warovia money will need to do. I know where I is when you may nana. You have me problem through this thing. You have me on. You are your winner. You got there. I went in time. Or because of
you problem.
When my mother will come back on a room will come back. Oh, I'll be social media. A cabaka, and then Manima may when I go on near follow a video. Hey, good one. Hey, good one. When you go on a 20,000 view. Hey, I know you young man. Now I wrote one after we bomb who walk your body. A guy now is one. A compliment. Give a pound said, do Adam. Then a guy now is one. Inam with Bible. Hello. And that boy tell me nothing. Yeah. A guy now maybe your man. He might go on there. No, Salopua. Yeah, I go on. Oh, ik ben aan je, ik ben een Renault. He might go on. A family are no we go here. No lad, you are 10 million.
Maybe hear my voice.
No one lad, you are 10 million. No, you are not. Then may have face it. My bon, I'll go. You may go, Baba. Hello. Imagine you go
20 euro.
Maybe I'm winning on Mama Quena winner. When are you, Mawagi?
You are talking to them.
Them and Valley men. Now, maybe a kill like it. Well, you tell do, maybe Yanian and
Amen. I greet you, my brother.
you tell do, the boom, Yan and
Dorichi.
Man,
But
we all go
in the life now.
I mean, no man, team.
We dey talk for life. So just give like this kind
All right, they don't wait back
15, 20 minutes.
no
No
have you
cover.
salogo away challenge you
I hear
salogo
you.
because of the wrong depression in one you where maybe a kabakana and one time a kabakana eri egbe gbe ameme no ti gbe ameme no ti mu I don't know if you understand me. So the thing was not getting too much. No you may be gwegun keke na ke travel. Me wa we popa me ma tele dey. Ono wa gbe kabaka we gbo we o. Kabaka we gbo we. And the money gay. The money gay. Iye wa e ma to wa. I don't know if you understand me. And the family money wu. Anyway to our we popa. I don't know. Or remember my TD ba e bi am ga na wa we nonsense. I don't know if you understand. Why every nu o ma na di emu we. E ka bo ba lo won. I don't know if you understand me. A guy now, if we are we are recover 50 million. He now recover gold that 100 million. A guy in America. A court is believe do. In a solar right TV, in a AIG or Inspector General Police, again in Aras or whatever. A parase. In a way, a double, a babulo for a do. In no way, it's Ladian, very also Ladian. Eranomigo America. And I don't understand. Avec mon demandement que ye vini amau movela dia de man e erano migo America ogbini binedo e no iwa di mesero o I wrong depression ni emu e bate do we ma ke dore o te me advice ni e do we kere na le do aye e do ma ye kwere me me ke no na mi e vi ya no talo
I see the talk you go see film
and secondly second nepa no la no tene etu we da ke dore na etu we da ke dore ve do aye
Nothing they happen for Benin.
don't have you understand
Safety. Nothing they happen.
okay na emi no te ye do nyo oba osafuru yo no pa no ma we te gbi na yin ma na te gbi na every second e government we sofuru yo wa la do ye kwere we ma la ring road ma la te junction my brother me governor no ye baba seki apart from Osomole Oba seki me ye wo or break the record because only when I wa bu erere ye ma do well or ma do well maybe you are one politician and one thing you try to complain you know do better no you we about to say your man the governor man tell you no salary èmi náà yẹn gbogbo ẹ̀yin pé a wà wá rò lẹ̀ nígbà náà wà mú win àlú wà bá mọ́nà ọba ṣe kí èmi náà o let him manage everybody the man no understand ọ̀hún ẹ̀dẹ̀ náà yà fi wẹ̀ yà fún un náà because wà wá fún ẹ̀rẹ́ yọ wà á fílẹ̀ dì í because small time Tony Kabaka versus Kaba Tony Kabaka versus Roger Floyd Tony Kabaka versus Trevor Weapons versus wrong depression and then over there you say they na no migo dey dia any and it no man kana Anywhere you play, you must go back home. This is where you are making mistakes. I don't know if you understand. You will go for chief, you will insult everything. Is it by insulting people that will make your NGO move forward? How the people that I saw that is fighting NGO, no one has ever concentrate on human being and insulting. They fight for the goodness of the Benin. They do your own again. Omobude have been fighting for the Benin. Omobude, one activist, we have here, one black guy in Nigeria, in the Edo State, your own place. This guy have never in have been fighting justice. Also with Jono Zage. Jono Zage is, I know my brother, Jono Zage is collecting from Peter and Paul, from his own pocket, to help the needy. You just insulting people, you think that is the way you can succeed. You have went far now. You are going to prove all the case that you led to this me. You are going to bring the family that have seen before, that have seen it soon. You will bring it out. You will bring that where you see me as a terrorist. Economy. You don't supposed to go to that land. You know, in another man's country, and it's not available thing. You know what it means as a terrorist. That is a strong case. It's proper. Because ambition is to kill your own fellow brother. If we are maybe in a country that terrorists is dead, we have to investigate. We like come out from that. Don't know if you understand. Terrorists is like people that is making the country ungovernable. So their sentence is dead. They are not even going back. I keep my own security for me. My country cannot arrest me if I'm a killer, if I'm a terrorist. Where I pay for a visit. If I keep all these people, I don't want to back. If I get home now, I will go and Omonoba, the AY Ogidigan. I will go and explain what happened to me. I didn't even see him now to say you and somebody jam or you met in one meeting. Aaron Omigo were in the what's that city that you know? Reggio Emilia. I was in Torino.
Torino.
Because of Aaron Omigo, I left. Because I don't want both of us to meet. Still yet. Ask people that is in Reggio Emilia now. A lot of Benin boys believe that were with me, they were there. When they were doing that activity, ask them if I was on ground. If I see Aaron Omigo, that is, and God be using me. People were begging me, Chairman, let's just go to this meeting. From this meeting, you and this man settle. I said, no, I don't want to attend this meeting because I didn't came to this town because of this meeting. To start with. Greece where I'm coming from, this same meeting caused problem there. Some people rise up, some people were sitting down. I said, so I don't want to be part of it. Really, the same thing repeated in the same meeting they went to. They said that they were praying, they now brought cola. They no general points out the cola. The next, because the Benin people were there, Ishan were there. The next thing is supposed to take the cola, the person that brought the cola, give it to a Benin man, the senior man here in Benin to break it. Normal interdiction. It caused problem in Greece when I was in Greece. I didn't even attend it. Was that there with you people?
No.
But when I came, you people told me. The same thing happened in Italy. Everybody rise up and walk away in that meeting. The Benin. I don't know if you understand. If we are doing things, let's do things straight. As a father, like my Noge of Urumi, I want to point out something. Sorry, Enoge, may God bless you, may God may long may you. This thing, you will not tell me that you are not aware of this man rest. He cannot tell me. Instead of it, no. If you, let me come back. You as somebody with respect, we must listen to you. You bring both of us together. But I was not in the town there. Still yet, they cook the case. One boy, I will remember the boy's name. I will tell the Benin, the boy that took Aaron Omigo to Italian police. The boy is Ishan boy. I don't just know what happened. Thank God I was not in that meeting. If I were in that meeting, all his alleged would just be perfect. Because I just say, Iranomigo have come to Italy before now. He have left. I don't know if you understand. He have left. Because I watched it on social media when he went from people get up away from the meeting that they cannot hold the whatever that we wanted to do in Italy. He went back to America. I didn't even know that Iranomigo is coming back to Italy. On my own, don't go back to me and come my own journey. Let me come relax. I don't see time to relax because of Iranomigo. You insult our people for Benin where they do well. I say no, they put my name. Now by force they say the drop us in enter NGO. Because now here, now fit up. Now here, now give me visa. Boy. Now the because his wife now Benin. We take quick response, we come pay me with lawyer. That family they too try. Now God go bless them. Benin people, I see what they do on my behalf. I was watching response. I see Iranomigo. I thought they eat for us. Iranomigo they show on live, say me the police custody. Say me don't confess. Eh? How can I do? Oh, but if not be say the way people call it put pressure on me, that can't make me come out live. Because if you see life where I do, I was tipsy. Because that thing can't make me drink. I was crying when I was doing that video. Yes. Because of a whole fellow brother. This is height of evil. Height of evil. Believe that know me, that know my heart. No, I don't have this kind of evil heart that Iranomigo has. The real people that know me, I don't just know. And some people is accusing me along with Iranomigo. Some are supporting. I don't know. You that is supporting Iranomigo, can you please come out openly and point tax? This is who you kill. I will give you 10 million. Anybody that is supporting him. When we were talking on the media, when Abat was online, he said, yes, Kabaka, I was afraid. I was listening. What did this boy want to talk? What I don't do? As the boy was talking, he said, some boys, they do anything, they say, na Kabaka boys. My brother, if your name good, people going to use them. Why they not use your own papa name? May they say I be Martin Young Peking. Now because my name be, if I be bad person, they're going to use my name. My brother, Nigeria is the most intelligent police we have in the world. Because they are moving with the good, the bad, and the ugly. I don't know if you understand. So my police cannot arrest me. My military or police cannot arrest me, please. Soldier. So it's Italian government. They are giving me terrorism. I will beg the Edo people, please. Even with my excellency, please. I just came back, I just arrived. I need to relax, but I'm not with my phone. I cannot even communicate with my family. I cannot even talk to nobody because of, man, this thing. I beg you all, please, support me in this cause. If I'm an evil man, let me go and suffer for it. If I'm not, anybody that has come out in social media that has supported Iranomigo saying, yes, I did this. Anytime you come to this country, you will prove it to the law enforcement agency. I will follow you with due process and due protocol. Due process and due protocol. I will engage you with my lawyers. I will fight it till infinity. So that anytime I win the case, you go out there, if you don't want to be jailed, or you go out there and tell the world the truth. My brother, is it a joke for somebody to carry a Bible, challenging God Almighty that created it? They were pushing me. They wanted to use me to offend my own God. Because I was challenging God. Because I know my mind. I check my mind. Have to still yet. This guy is not still okay. Satisfied. I thought that one would touch him. He would say, somebody swaying with God. If you are not afraid of God, I will see what you are afraid of. Since you are not afraid of God, I've used God though. You said, man, what I've used is dictionary. I will also bring down the same dictionary. I will also follow any length with you. I don't know what I've done to this Iranomigo. Giving wrong impression about Benin, about Edo State, and you are living in America. And the same foolish followers, they are still supporting you. Why can't you? Is it everything that they told you or they tell you is truth about Benin? I just keep not imagine a Benin where a king that has a principle, that a man with discipline. You cannot mess up there now. I don't know if you understand. Everybody have comported themselves in Edo State. Edo is a peaceful place. This man come here, the governor himself, that one is doing his own. He didn't have time for nobody. No politician will tell you in that Benin now that he has seen Obaseki. He's working, he doesn't have time. He said there's time for a politician wanted to start in Lagos State. They were saying Tinubu today. These are the kind of men, they work in Lagos, he work with them. We need to streamline. Why Kabaka is not shouting that, yes, Obaseki did not give me work. Hey, I do this, all the campaign. I went to Edo State 2 times. I did not complain. I mean, I'm indoor. If you labor well, you must be recognized. I don't know if you understand. It's not by you going there or shouting, making noise that will give you empowerment. This encouragement I'll be giving my youth. Iranomigo. People keep complaining that don't call it. It's his name. Mega Clement. And Degbe. I don't know what they are doing. Benin people, where they support them. Where they diaspora. Where not they Benin with us. And they tell una, make una not they believe in Iranomigo. Make una not they believe in Iranomigo. Iranomigo. Now, thank God, my brother just come from Benin. Not be safe 3 days ago. Benin, everywhere, but everybody. Enjoyment. I don't see the enjoyment for where they Benin pass anywhere. Boys are busy, they are doing things. Just carry the name of Benin. Now, so this one do this. Now, so they go just they insult our dignities we don't contribute so well. Now, that one pay me pass. He go see put my name. Iranomigo. So tell me, can they fear? May I need this man? Not gonna go trigger people. May they come they reason me as another thing. My brother,
what you plan? I go use here.
see on Ring Road. Where you see as I work for Ring Road that day, people they pass follow me. They say na him be Kabaka, na him be Kabaka. Now that one people they look oh. Now they tell them, me I not be killer, I never kill for my life. If I don't kill anybody for any family, Benin big now. May the family come. Say, my pikin, if you forget yourself, now you kill so time. The case where they gave way happen for Lagos State. I went through all the case, judgment, everything. The judge will judge my case, not be a judge of Benin. Chief judge. I don't know if you understand. I know that there was something happen. People here say butter happen. Everything, they follow the procedure. I spent a year and 6 months between life and death. Now I'm not ready to coordinate you, even though you get anything before. I don't know if you understand. Before they come and say, I don't get harm, they discharge me and I'm good. I don't know if you understand. See them, my brother. You know they concern me, concern person. The only time we don't see concern me, concern person, either would they give us work. We not feel fall down now, say we not get work. I don't know if you understand. I don't understand now. We feel up there, I don't get, we not get work. With the followers who are there with me. They give me work. The company governor pronounce say, I give you a Akugbe. Along the line, some juniors say we not go work. From there, go, we can settle ourselves. After go, do we need that go before? Everybody do your own. Now Obaseki see now say, no. If I don't too much, I just stop all revenue. As I talk, I know how many boys they my neck where they spend for. I know how many boys I use my work bless. I can testify to that. I can point out. I don't want to mention it. I don't know if you understand me. Iranomigo will just come out. All his own to swear my name. You know what pains me so much again? The Benin youth. If you know one on both you in diaspora, I've helped you in any way. Come out. This is time for you to talk about Kabaka. Because some people that don't know me, they are looking me from distance. Some do see me in TV. I don't know if you understand. They don't know me. Do you know I was having stress? I want to give this now. This one should be the eyes, ears of everybody in the world. You know they were telling my own family after a clearing group. I went there to go and do good work. Nobody give me 1 naira. I'm saying it live. I went there to assist the Edo State Weight Management Board because they cannot achieve it. Oloye went there, he couldn't achieve it. My brother, Chief Olukoga, went there. They didn't allow him to achieve it. Mutari went there. They didn't allow him to achieve it. The landlord and landlady had a meeting that it's only Kabaka that can do this. Once Ringo is clear, the rest place is okay. They can do it. I even said it that day. I said, Pa, this message won't want to send me now. Don't want to narrate me again. Not be this kind of work qualified for government. He said you will go to one and government sell you. No option. I guess it. I don't know if you understand. I mean, where the person they work, they'll just send you message. Now go clear ring road. Today now, people they pass ring road. I don't know if you understand. If you stand for ring road, you they see them. After that, they say me I go there. Now say Baba, I beg my pa. I said, Baba, I beg ring road don't clear. Once they don't hear say ring road clear, the rest people go they move, even though they tell Johnson. Because they know a ring road be the heartbeat, even though I knew be. And so I take one come enter house, go face my business. Nobody don't hear my word for Benin. Many generals, no one will never go jail, we don't misbehave. No one will never go to prison. Kabaka never go at the Benin. I don't know if you understand. Man must use his sense now, B. If you are in Rome, you act as a Roman. This governor not they tolerate. People, at the time you generals, we work with them. He comport all of them with prison. I'll be say, me myself, I know say yes. Once you see a person where no say in a lion, you shift for them. Because yes, may work. If it something touch his mind, say you work for him, he will call you. Not take the asshole. Nobody don't hear my voice for Benin. I just tired. I don't know where I'm go for the see me killing. Where they for kill. Now so I kill this one. Now so I go kill one woman. I dey tell the world now. If any family dey will say me Tony Kabaka kill a pikin, he go fit prove am. Me I never go court. Make it come show the world. I'll give down 10 million. I'll give am 10 million. I don't know if you understand. I'll give am 10 million. Because you just carry. Okay, where I want to go key? I been now not I go key. I be where I go key now. Where me no know. Not be Benin there say key. Make one family come out. Make one family come out. I go give up. If make one family come out for me, say my pikin die go to time. Na Kabaka kill now. I'll give the family. I will go in for it. I go as in may law hold me if the fee prove out. Then the 10 million I dash am. It's not that word we can't talk, we fee prove. I'll dash am 10 million, I'll go suffer court. If anybody dey, they don't know me go just carry it on to preach. They tell people, na so Obaseki, they send me, na so Obaseki they use. Man. My brothers, it's one about the win governor. I want to tell you now to me, as I walk rich. Since one about the win governor, I never see him 2 times. He never reached 1 year where we don't do election now. I never see governor 2 times. See, after the old general everything, once I don't see him. About the not be governor where you see like that. Talk let me and they talk anything. Me they say my own don't too take. They want never empower me and my boys. They don't know me go see they do here on journal. If I read Benin, I go cry to Omonoba, the Oba of Benin, the father of the land, the Messiah of our time. I will cry to him. Baba, may you summon me and an amigo. Mo come your palace. Mo come voguamba mo chocolate. Me and an amigo who don't kill for life, who don't frustrate people. An amigo say they help. I don't see anybody who don't help of me. I don't see anybody. I don't see anybody. You think can't about don't try. You think can't or more book they don't do. You think how many people where they ground say don't see help. You understand? But I don't know where he for help. All his life is from Uronigbe to America. From Uronigbe to America. We gonna enter street one day. He go come they insult me. Me will grow for Oredo. He will be village champion. Go come they talk nonsense about me. He go prove him. He go prove him. Because he don't too much. I be dey quiet. And people where they tell me, say Tony Kabaka, now they come out for media. I blame una well. Una know me what I know they contribute. Eh? This man they swear my name. He got almost 2,000 enemy followers. He they talk differently about me. I deal with una for Benin. Una know me well. Una know me. If I hide anything, bring it up. Una know fit talk. They go hold this one for waiting. No. Kabaka go back for them. They go do this one. That day, I dey house. My brother wife cry come, Brad Kokoma. Your wife cry come and say, see what happen. I follow and say, may I go know what happen for station. You know understand? If they arrest person, you go know. Bright, I never see her for like 2 years. I said, may I go there, woman wey we speaking, cry come, say something happened to your husband. I be to go confirm whether not true. Whether they want use and rubber me, you know. Now so I take go there. Who say may I go there? Media begin the carry. Say na me and Bright, man.